The Reveal Tactacam X Pro is picking up deer on the work site. They've been marching around and don't seem to be too disturbed by the work we've been doing on the logs. Got some shots here from April and May, and they are still marching around the place like they own it. So it's good to see them around. Even taking some leaves off the branches we've cut down already but haven't chipped. Someday this is going to dry out and we'll get back to chipping and working on the property, but for the next week it looks like more rain. So no more work for at least 5 more days. Hopefully things will improve. Have a great day, everybody.